Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a eyes video and we are going to be doing a kind of a neutral, warm, natural but better, another natural but better. And I'm going to be using the Dream Street palette, and I don't know what colors I'm going to use yet. It's going to be a surprise to both you and me. So let's get started. We're going to start with my Essence eye base. Oops. I don't know why I'm looking over there. I don't need to look over there for this. And then I'm going to take my sponge and spread this out nicely. And as you saw on Monday, this is the Urban Decay Naked Stay Naked 2. I think that's what it's called. Stay Naked. It doesn't say 2. Weightless liquid foundation that's on my face. So we're kind of gonna go with a, that's why we're going with the natural colors. But I really like this little salmon color in here, so we may throw that in there. But, you know, maybe we can pretend my eyes are naturally salmon colored. Anyway. All right, let's go in. I think we're gonna go into this peachy one right here and put that in as our transition color. Hopefully it's not too orangey. Now I'm going to get a little bit smaller of a brush, and we're going to go into the crease with this color right here that is, I believe, a little darker. And I'm just going to go in the outer V and in the crease, but staying lower than I did with that first color. Just like that. Now, I think I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury cream shadow. My favorite one and done. But I'm just going to take a little bit of it and put it on this, on the lid. Because it's the perfect color to still be, to be a little bit shiny but still be natural. Okay, and that's it for my lid color. Now while I let that set for just a minute, I'm going to do my eyebrows. And then we're going to go in and do our liner, and I'm going to put on some lashes, I believe. So let's do our brows. And I'm using my Ka-Brow number 2 and my Gimme Brow little sample number 3. Okay, brows are done. We're going to go in with brown eyeliner. This is the Maybelline Tattoo Gel Liner Pencil. And I'm going to push line with this. And to push line, you put your little finger on your eyelid and you push until the lash curls up around your finger. And then you draw between the lashes, pulling it all the way through so that you can smudge it from the top. And then you take a flat brush. This is my Morphe M432 flat brush. And you just wiggle the brush back and forth to spread it out between the lashes so there's no skin showing, and pull it up just a little bit to make a smudgy liner line. And you try not to get it on your waterline because then it will transfer to the bottom. Now I'm going to go off camera, put on some mascara and my lashes, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I am back. I added my lashes and some mascara. I used the Mile High mascara from Wander Beauty. I added some lipstick. I put on my Flower Beauty Bear Pout and my new L'Oreal glowing lip gloss in Shall We Dance. And that's it. That's all I put on. I don't know if I can handle this hair, but I'm going to try for a month. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this on all your social medias. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Subscribe before you leave if you haven't already, and hit that little notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!